The next station is South Brisbane. Customers, please note Moorooka Station is being rebuilt as part of the Cross River Rail project and is now closed. Customers for Moorooka Station, please disembark at Yeronpilly or Rockley stations and follow signage to the Station Link bus. To plan your journey, go to translink.com.au. Customers travelling to Moorooka Station, please disembark at Yeronpilly Station and catch the next Station Link bus, Route 19, from Boggo Road to Moorooka. The next station is South Brisbane. Customers travelling to Moorooka Station, please disembark at Yeronpilly Station and catch the next Station Link bus, Route 19, from Boggo Road to Moorooka.